Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, child. Don't even begin. I know I have been MIA. I haven't posted in about almost 7 months now, and I'm so sorry, but I will tell you why in the video. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I laid this baby down by myself. And bear in mind, don't judge. I'm not a pro, I'm not a hairstylist, I'm just a human. I'm just trying. And this is my first frontal closure wig, and child, and it's giving to me. It's giving it all the vibes. It's giving me all the vibes. So if you want to see how I laid this wig on my head, please do keep on watching. Thank you. So this is the hair we'll be using today. It is a 26-inch 13x6 closure from AliExpress. Maya hair. Actually, I bought this hair from a friend. Apparently she buys them from the hair from AliExpress. I'll put her price list here on the screen. So as you can see, this hair has been through a lot, like through a lot. When I mean through a lot, I mean it. Like this will mean. You see, there's black dots. This is a dye. It dye. That one I bleacher. When I was bleaching the knots, what happened was I bleached here over bladder. Now I had to fix it. Then when you fix it, I ruined the lace. As you can see, Kone excess product. I've worn this wig a lot of times, but I've washed it, and I've worn it for the past 3 days. Yeah. So let's get into it. And excuse me, I will be looking at the mirror because like the results from there, I don't trust them. From the viewfinder, I don't trust them. So I will be looking at the mirror. I hope you don't mind. It comes with these straps, adjustable straps. Yeah. And it has combs. It has 3 combs. And to be honest, this wig is too big for my head. But yeah, till it's perfect. And guys, bear in mind, I'm the one that ruined the lace. I overplucked the hair. I overcut the hair. As you can see, you see on the sides, like they are overcut. That is my fault. Not really my fault, but like this is the first frontal closure I've ever owned. So yeah, I hope you get it. So number 1, what we're gonna do is use our got to be glued spray, freezing spray. I hope like you know this stuff, like obviously. This is what we're gonna do. And bear in mind, I have a big forehead. Like I have a huge forehead. But let's call up. This is what we're gonna do. And zange ngikwazi uyifilma because I was still at home and under a tripod, so yeah, you can imagine the hassle. So ngikwazi uyifilma when I got the hair, but like ndiyibonise ndicut lace. bear in mind, sizohamba iziteps ezininzi to get this hair perfectly laid. Unless you're a pro, honey. Like, I wish I was a pro. See now, because spots nje zihamba zimi. It's no problem. All you have to do is go through again. And don't mind that I'm putting it directly on my hair, because it won't do any damage to my hair anyways. Actually, that depends if I take it right. And how I take off this wig, I dump the towel in water and kind of like go through, so like I deactivate so I deactivate this got to be glued, because like it's glued obviously when it's and just go through again and make sure that everything is laid. So yeah, guys, like it's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere, honey. Oh, no, I made a mess. So yeah, now second step. For this step, we're gonna need our hot comb, and it's on. And I bought it from the same person I bought this hair from. She's my best friend, so like I gotta support her, like no. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, this is the hairband I'm gonna use. So I'm just gonna wear it like this so it doesn't mess anything up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to lay the hair back all the way. gonna leave some here because, like, you know, I already told you what I did. So I'm just gonna leave a strand to hide my hair. You see, child, you could never be perfect at laying wigs. Not you could never, because like there are some pros, but like nah, I'm a beginner. This is my only lace frontal wig to begin with, and I've owned this hair for about like a month or two, almost 2 months, yeah, because it arrived was it, yeah, it was May, around 20 something, but before month end, and I've worn it ever since. So what we're gonna do now is use our mousse. I just bought this. It's olive and aloe soft shine flex hold. I'm not familiar with this brand, to be honest with you. If you've watched my Beauty Was Haves video from last year, you know that I was using the one, what's the brand, but like what happened to it, yo, I was so heartbroken. I live in Eastern Cape and I study in Free State, so because you know they don't take care of our luggage. So let me figure out that's why I opted for this kind of bottle, because I'll just put a picture. So somebody Yona, yeah, so I'll just do this. Oh child, what lace? The front. Careful not to bend yourself. Oh, I'm bending myself and I'm telling you to be careful. Wow. So guys, I haven't posted on YouTube like in about, I last posted on YouTube I think last year in November. I'll get into that shit, child. Why I haven't been posting on YouTube, why I've been absent, why I decided to take a break, honey. And I'll just put this like here. It's not as tight as those, but I can't find any place that sells those straps here in Bloom. Like it's so hard to find because like the fabric store is very far from where I stay, but I will go and check there. Hopefully I find it, because like even in those Chinese stores they don't sell it. Oh, so I was saying I haven't posted on YouTube for almost 7 months. Reason being, I did take a few videos, to be honest with you. I think about 3 videos, of which I will decide, I will pick which ones I want to edit and put, like, if I still feel comfortable with them, you see. Because like some are giving me vibes, because like it's 2021, like I feel like the content is not relatable anymore. But I'll choose, and they'll definitely be up before I put this one. So I haven't been posting or taking any videos and pictures, child, even pictures, because honey, oh, I have been through a lot. And it's not just acne. I don't even know if it's an infection or something, but like my back has tinea. I don't know if it's called tinea what, but it's tinea something. I'll just Google the name and put it in the screen. And like this has affected my self-esteem, to be honest with you. I haven't been taking pictures, I have been taking videos, and I took a break as well from wearing makeup, because like I went as far as buying new makeup, new things, because like I still don't know, but like I feel like I'm recovering, even though I still have spots. Yeah, my face is clear now, but I don't have pimples or something bad. Like it's not as bad as it was, but like I have spots now, you see. Like at least I don't have pimples. I'm left with the scars, of which I'm still working on it. I promise, I'm still working on it. So I'll just take my straightener, and yeah, I'll just connect my straightener now. And I bought this straightener from, I think it was Clicks. These are the control buttons. This is the on and off button. These are the temperature buttons where you adjust the temperature. This is a minus and this is a positive. The heat goes up to 230 degrees. But like it's not as hot as I wish. And I'm still working on buying a new straightener. Those flat irons, you see those ones? Yeah, those ones get the job done, but like they're expensive. Ooh. So in the meanwhile, I will just it's not even hot yet, but I mean I don't have time to wait. See, like I told you, like this week is big, but I'm gonna fix it, and I think I'm gonna fix it with you. Like I'll bring you along the journey of upgrading this hair, like child. Funny thing is, this hair when it arrived, it was not this long, guys. I swear. I even showed my friend, the one that I bought this hair from, I even showed her pictures, and like she agreed, like, no, this is not 26 inch. I was so sad, like I was so mad, I was hit, because like, you know when you're expecting something, because I know 26 inches is very long, like in my house and in my down, like it's name. So like when it arrived, yo bruh, it gave me 22 inches vibes, and I was like, I was so disappointed. Yo, I was hit. I even bought a measuring tape, and I took its measurements, and they came up around 22 to 24. Still they were not 26 inches. And like my friends said, like I should give her the measurements and take pictures, and so that she could request a partial refund. And I didn't even do that. I didn't even take the pictures, but I did measure the hair, and it came out as 22 to 24 inches. But now, after I've washed it a couple of times, now it's long. I don't know if it's stretched or what. Like it doesn't make sense. Like now it's long. Like it's long. I'm satisfied. I will show you, honey. Now it's long. I'll just show you now. I'm gonna stand up. I hope like it will show. Like you see, like now it's giving me 26 inches vibes. this is how long this hair is now. Like now I'm happy, but I'm still gonna you know, revamp it, like give it the vibes. Yeah, I think the straightener is hot right now. The reason I'm not putting any oils is because like I've worn this hair for the past 3 days, so it does have previous product, so I don't have to apply a lot of product and everything, you see, because I don't want to ruin the hair. Because like when it's very oily, it becomes super flat, and I don't like the look, and it looks wet. I know the wet look is cheap, but like on curls. Guys, I'm not that type, unless in the waist lamp or something. Excuse me. And your other type is over layers. And I know apple one of question. And as long as I'm happy here with how it looks, then everything is muchacho. So I'm gonna remove this. Should we just leave it like this? Or so to avoid bending my ears, I always turn the hot comb upside down. I'm so scared even right now, because like it's very hard to reach, and I'm right-handed, so you can imagine when I'm working on my right side, everything becomes so difficult. So yeah guys, and I will just take a wet towel. Like, what is going on? Because like I don't see this on the mirror, but I do see it on the camera, this residue. I think I'm feeling a middle part. Let me just once, or should I just leave it like this? But like when I leave it like this, it gives me very much whole vibes. Like I look like an I'm sorry. You have to understand that now I'm regaining my confidence. So give me a break, please. Give me a break. Just let me be me. Let me be happy. Ooh. Should I or should I not? I don't know. It's done. There's no going back right now. Child, the struggle is real, okay? Put this headband back on just for control, because I see trouble is coming. You see this one, this dark spot? Black dye. But like there's a head for everything, bro. Like relax. It's fixable. Even though it's not permanent. But it's fixable. To be honest with you, I did not trust this mousse. But for me, this is my first time I'm using this mousse. And it's not sponsored. This video is not sponsored, okay? It's not sponsored. I repeat, I'm not even familiar with this brand. But trust me, like, are you seeing this? Like, what? And this mousse works wonders. For me, I give it a pass. Yo, 500 mem, please. Faka. Don't be stingy with the marks. It's giving everything. This mousse. You see, I overpolished this lace, and when I was fixing it by dyeing it using the Revlon dye, I probably missed this spot. Excuse me. This thing is off. Fuck. Oh, sorry. No. I'm sorry guys, again, this building is near. Okay. It's busy. And it's a main road. I think that's what it's called. Don't mind me guys, I'm a pedestrian. I don't have cars, so I don't know these terms. These type of roads. I only know them from geography. I'm not even a passenger. I'm like I'm a pedestrian. So if I'm gonna go by like I don't know. I'm going to use focus. What's this? Is it Vida molding gel? It's almost finished. I super love this product. It's a molding gel. I don't have a flyaway tamer, so I'll be using this as my flyaway tamer. Because if you can see, there are some flyaways. Like, can you notice? Yeah, so I'll just use this to tame them away. This product is very good if you want those slick hairstyles, honey, trust me. And again, if this video is not sponsored, I'm just giving you the reviews on this product, because like these are the products I love and they work for me. They might not work for you, but like for me, child, they work. Okay. Oh, and excuse me, like I kill the camera. The man in the boot and John agree instead of enjoying a green lens. And again, the man in John and a mirror. The moment of truth, okay? Not really the moment of truth. I'm just gonna go in. Oh, real sorry guys, my camera cut me. Apparently I exceeded the time limit, so yeah. And it didn't miss anything really. Still pindah thing. The thing is, yeah, that time loose, so that's why man sends around. I think I'm done. No, really, honestly, is there anything I can do more here? Sri Lanka. I don't even know. You what I can say? Yo. I came and sleep in pants. It's windy. Hey. I don't know. Guys, hey. Like, in knowledge of you to like. In knowledge of you, our man's the way I feel. Never was so legal. Never was oh. Hey, to come think of it, like, really, guys, as women, I see them about ice nas yo. Ice nas yo. Just make it. No, let's go. What if, hey, wow, I don't even want to think about it. Because if you can, I think too hard, yeah, we are going to be well. So yeah guys, I'm done. Like, are you loving this? Are you loving this? Am I giving you the vibe? Are you loving this? Love this. I think I'm more happy with this middle part more than I was when this say back. So yeah guys, it's alright. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Like, this is my, you know, I think I tried. And I'm sorry if you were expecting edges. Come back next time. Because like today I'm not feeling any edges. And like I'm not pro guys. Safunda, so and the edges take a lot of time. Yo. Over school is solid. The edges, yo, they show me flames, shame. I would rather do edges on my natural hair. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. And like guys, I appreciate you because like you continue to subscribe even though I was not uploading anything. That means a lot to me. Like, it means the world. I know like I'm still on 189 subscribers, but like it's my fault. I was not consistent. Like, people are not gonna subscribe on the channel like that is not even consistent. Like, when they watch the videos like 6 months ago, like this person maybe is not even alive. Like, why? So maybe now, but now I'm back. Yeah, I know I've been saying this for like, yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna try to be consistent. And I know put that promise along the way, and I didn't deliver, but this time, yeah, okay. So thank you so much. Please continue liking and sharing this video. Drop a comment down below, drop a suggestion. Like, if you're not subscribed, become part of this family. Like, please do a sister a favor. What? Do a sister a favor. Am I correct? Hey, do a sister a favor. Okay, do me a favor and subscribe. Do a sister a favor, but do me a favor and subscribe and join this family. Okay, I love you. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. Thank you. See you on my next video.